Hi, I'm Kyle from KG Electrical. We're back with Professional Electrician magazine. Today we're looking at the Kinetic wireless switches from Forum Lighting Solutions. Let's get into it. So we're here in Chorleywood today, and as per usual, the client's gone ahead, they've got the decorator in, the house is finished, and now they've called the electrician. So we need to make the switching work and get all the lighting controlled from where it needs to be without the use of any wires. So we're going to use the Kinetic Range from Forum Lighting Solutions. So what is the Kinetic Range? Well, it's a whole range of products all based around lighting control. There's various different parts, there's switches, there's receivers, there's fobs. But the product that's going to help us today is this electric to kinetic switch. So the product looks just like a normal light switch. However, the clever thing about it is the wireless kinetic module built into the back of it. It's going to enable us to install a secondary switch anywhere that we need to. A couple of great things about this range. On the main receiver, no neutral wires are required, which makes it nice and easy to install. On the secondary switch, no batteries, no wires, no nothing, and the signal is all generated by the kinetic energy of pressing the switch. So this product is the quickest and easiest way to add kinetic to your lighting controls. So all we've got to do is remove the old light switch and install this one, which is nice and easy with these quick connectors on the back of the plate. When you get this product from your wholesaler, it comes with everything you need to get it installed. We've got fixings, we've got the instructions, and we've got both white and black faceplates. It's got a range of up to 40 meters indoors, which should be ample for most houses. We can connect up to 10 secondary switches or fobs, which gives us plenty of options to make sure we can do whatever we need. After introducing this system to the client and explaining how it's going to work, they're going to get rid of a bugbear they've had for years. They've never been able to control the hallway lights on from upstairs or remotely. So just by swapping a switch, we're going to make that happen for them. This means that when they're coming home late in the winter, they can turn the lights on and not enter into a dark house, or inevitably when the kids have left all the lights on downstairs, they don't have to go back downstairs and turn them off again. Right, so that's enough talking. Let's get into the install. So we're in the hall here. I've already got the power isolated. I've got the front cover off, ready so that I can screw it all back when it's on. Okay, so we've got the original switch disconnected. We're going to pull the quick connectors up so we can slot our cables straight in. Make sure we got the switch the right way up and dress the cables back in. Right, so we're all screwed in. We're now going to put it into pair mode and connect our wireless switch and fob to it. We make sure the light is turned on. We hold down this button for 3 seconds and we'll see these 3 lights flash. We can then let go. Turns that on and off twice. And now we're connected. Now we can control this from wherever we install this switch. Now we're going to pair the fob to the light switch too. Same process again. Turn the light switch on. Hold it down for 3 seconds. Our lights will flash. And we're connected. Now that we're all paired up, we're just going to put the cover back on and then go and install the wireless switch upstairs. So we've got the wireless switch here, which we're going to fit on the landing upstairs. There's 2 ways to fix this to the wall. You've got the 3M tape, or there's 2 screw holes and it can be screwed direct to the wall. There's no batteries, no wires, no nothing. The only thing that powers this is the kinetic switch. And now we can operate the hallway light from upstairs. So as you saw, that was a really quick and easy install. Everything's up and running in no time at all. One of the things that I love with this system is the wireless secondary switching and the no neutrals required on the main receiver. The difference is night and day. It saves us having to lift floorboards, chase walls, get redecoration done, everything like that, and the whole job's installed within a couple of hours. Now, Forum are a brand that I know and trust. I've worked with them many times over the years. I've got fantastic technical support for when you need it. And most importantly, their products are available for local and national wholesalers. Right, that's it from me. Make sure you like and subscribe. If there's any content that you want to see, drop a comment below and we'll see what we can do. For more information on Forum Lighting's wireless kinetic range, click the link below and I'll see you on the next video.